So hi guys, so I'm gonna show you here like some little examples of the USD, like the past week, the past 2 weeks. I think it's just the past week. And so yeah, I don't want to go like back to the last year, or so, you know, like some traders just going back to the last year, because I want to show you that you can just go to your chart and see this on your chart, those examples on your chart, and practice them. And yeah, let's go to it. So here we go. This was this week. Yeah, this was this was today. Fucking hell. Yeah, this was today. So what we got here, like I said, try to always have a context. Okay, not always is going to happen the same. You need a context. Maybe today at this time, at 10 a.m. you can have a buy, or maybe tomorrow there will be a sell, but maybe after tomorrow you won't find any trades, and that's okay. That's alright. So just look at this. Okay, my context is that I've got buy side liquidity here because I am bullish on the USD because of the core report, and because we got some big high that I want to retake. I can't show that now, but my context is that I want the boys. Okay, so as my context is that I want the boys, what should I do? Look at this high. I expect the high, that buy side liquidity, to be taken. And wait, as I expect this buy side liquidity to be taken, what should I do? I've got this other block here with the fair value gap. Look how the candles, the body of the candles, are respecting the fair value gap. So I just have to wait for the right time. We got 10 here, 10 is here, it was gone. Okay, but remember, I like to wait 30 minutes to have information of what price is doing. So if you check this here, we have this fair value gap, and between 950 to 10, just look how the price respected that fair value gap. When I see that fair value gap being respected like that, I can expect price, if price come back to that area, to respect it again and go up to take that buy side liquidity, because price is respecting the institutional order flow the market is giving. So now after that, price go up 10.15 and then go down. What time we go here? Actually 10.30 here, 10.42, 10.30. We waited those 30 minutes to collect information to see if price can really go up to take that buy side liquidity, and there you go. Price came back 10.30. There's the boy. Then price came back again to the fair value gap to mitigate what is here, and then there you go, the big buys. Now let's go back. This is the 3-minute time frame. Okay, so don't think I'm going back like a lot. So let's go back here. This was the last week. Okay, so what we got here, 7 a.m. We got here 7 a.m. fake move, protraction, like I told you. 7 a.m. fake move to what? We took those highs here. Let me show you. We took those highs here. That's true. But the real moves happened at what time? As we knew that day, we had some red news. I think it was NFP and Funk. So the 7 a.m. was the fake move, inducing people to buy, to keep buying. Also, like I told you, we need a context. We got this trend line liquidity here, we've got this low liquidity here. Even look at this, all of this is liquidity because it's mitigated. So this is another like type of trend line liquidity. All of this is mitigated. Let me tell you something. I know it's not about the 90-minute cycle, but when you have highs or lows that are already mitigated, that becomes liquidity. Imagine like this. Let me show you this. So imagine this here. So we hold a high. So yeah, we have institutional order flow to the upside. Okay, price is mitigating this here, this here, this here, all of that. But all of these at a point it becomes liquidity. Okay, at some point it becomes liquidity because it's already mitigated. So after that we can expect a type of sweep. Oh, wait, we can expect maybe a type of sweep, breaking structure, come back to a point, and then all of this at some point is going to be taken. We can use it as a trendline liquidity, or we can use it a week lows. Okay, week lows and week highs are the ones that are already mitigated. So okay, let's forget that. That was a plus. So okay, as you know, those lows are week lows, and we got sell side liquidity here below. What can we expect? 7 EM, the fake moves to the upside, taking these orders here, and then what happened? 830 here. Okay, 830 here to what? To take all that sell side liquidity. And then, as we knew, we took all that sell side liquidity. What can we expect to take? What can we expect to take? This buy side liquidity here, this high. And just look how the people that enter here was fucked at 7 EM. Okay, was fucked. Price use seek and destroy, took the sell side and then the buy side. But look how you buy. What time was it? Between 8:30 to 8:40. Okay, if we go here, yeah, 8:30 here, so better. You have your buy here, perfect there. Now let's go to another example here. What we got here, context, buy side liquidity taken with lows. We've got liquidity here. We also have these lows here, all these lows, all these weak lows here. And what just happened? Buy side liquidity was taken. Then right here it is 9. Okay, it is 9. So we go in the interval of 8:30 to 10. So I wouldn't do anything here. I wouldn't do anything here. And look how the price action is like consolidating so slowly, doing like just, you know, slow, and then what is it? 10. Do you think that is random? Do you really think that is random? That price just took that buy side liquidity, and then CLS maybe at this time they was waiting, figuring out how they was going to distribute the 10 EM orders. They was figuring out, and then what happened? Here, price come back to this other block to mitigate this, and the CLS just they just sold everything, taking all of that. They took buy side liquidity, and then they took this sell side liquidity here. What time? 10 EM. So that's why I tell you that you always will need a context. Okay, now let's go to another one. This is other one here. we go to here. So what's the main purpose of the first cycle from 2:30 to 4? To take those liquidity pools, to tap into those liquidity pools as fair value gap, all the blocks, and takes those high, those lows. So we go to here, right, running, taking everything, taking those lows, taking the Asia low, taking everything there, and then what happened? Price, but this is 4 here. But look how beautiful this is, that we don't enter at 4 because we always wait. Okay, we always wait at least for a confirmation. Have you got confirmation here? No. So what you gonna enter? You wait, sweep, and then have you got confirmation here? It's already 4:30. Have you got confirmation? No. Sweep, block this high, shorten high, come back. 4:48 is not perfect, but you know what's gonna happen between 4 to 5:30. Another distribution of liquidity for European pairs, and there you go. There you have your buy. Then let's go to another one. This here, the same fucking thing. 2. The distribution of liquidity to take those highs, those lows, to tap into those other block fair value gap. Price come here, sweep. We go 4 here, we wait for confirmation. You can easily place a buy here for 42, and there you go, there you have your buy. You can have your stop loss here, put break even, or leave the order there, just wait, and there you go with your buy. And let's another one I'll put here. Look at this one here. The same thing, again the same thing. What price does is, as you can see, this is not even to here. Okay, starting to here, look what price did, took a shallow, but this is not even 3. This is not even 3. So imagine people that doesn't know about the CLS and the 90-minute cycle, imagine them just going here. Okay, they say, oh, a shallow was taken, so what we're gonna do now is buy to take the Asia high, but this is not even 2. After that, what happened? Look, the liquidity price was leaving here. Let me take it up. Yeah, and look, the liquidity was leaving here with lows, all mitigated, and look at this. Price came here, this other block, to the middle of the Asia, and then we wait for 4:30. Most of the time we wait for 4:30. 4:20 here, 4:30 here. Then you can have a sell. If you want to wait for a better confirmation, short-term low taken. This here, this short-term high. No, let's say this one here taken. Price tapping in the other block. Short-term low taken, breaking a structure. Come back here. You have your buy at 4:48, something like that. Stop loss there. If you want to wait for a better confirmation. If no, just here. And there you go. Then what you're expecting to be is very high liquidity taken. You can't just pull your trade all the way down or just there. And yeah, that is basically like the 90-minute cycle. These examples I'm explaining you now. I know I'm not explaining you like 100 examples, but all of these is EUSD last week, this week, and the last week. I think it was on, all of this was the last week. Maybe I don't know if all of this was the last week, but it's between this week and before the last week, between those weeks, and look all the trades you could cut. Even if you had like 2 bad trades, just look at this one. 1 to 10. Easy 1 to 10. Just look all of that. And you can say, okay, you showing those trades here. And you can maybe asking like, did you take them? And I'm gonna tell you, most of these trades I'm showing you now, I posted on my Telegram group. I post the entries and all the stuff. Even I have live videos doing it. But yeah, it was basically those examples of the 90-minute cycle and how you trading. Remember, this is not a secret. There's no a secret on how to trading. There's no like always is gonna happen the same thing, because the CLS is not going to do the same thing every day. Okay, they always have different orders from those big guys, from those banks, from those hedge funds, mutual funds. They always have different orders, and yeah, they always are going to distribute at those times. Okay, this is always going to be the same, but that doesn't mean they're always going to distribute like at the same levels or in the same way. Because if it is like that, fucking everyone would be now doing money. They don't want us to like see they do the same thing every day. So that's why if anyone comes to you to show you like a secret of the CLS, or you know, something like the holy grail, that's not gonna happen, because the CLS reset every day. It reset every day. Okay, they have in orders. The banks book order with them every day, so they reset. They reset every day. That's why I don't put in the same like my daily bias with the 90-minute cycle, because the 90-minute cycles is only intraday. It's to trade intraday. Yeah, you can have a context on the buy side liquidity on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, on our time frame, but as the CLS is reset every day, I only try to be focused on taking trades intraday, focusing on my intraday time frame, my 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. Okay, there is no like a 90-minute cycle, a monthly 90-minute cycle, or there is no correlation with the monthly and the 90-minute cycle, because like I told you, CLS is resets themselves every day. So yeah, I think it was all. I can like show you about the CLS. This is maybe, yeah, this is basically all I know. Most of the things I know, I would say all. You pay for it, so yeah, this is basically all I know about the CLS. And of course, you will have my contact. I'm gonna contact you, okay? To all of you that are watching it, I wanna contact you, and you will have my guide. Okay, how to say in English? My guide day by day, and you will have my help. Okay, you will have my help, and I'm gonna help you about all of this. To all of you, if there is a lot of people like joining the course, I will create a group. Okay, if not, to each one of you, I'm just gonna send videos of me trading live, of the trades I talk, or the 90-minute cycle represented in the chart to you. If there is there is not a lot of people that join the course, I will send it to each one of you. But if there is a lot of people that join the course, I'm gonna create a group. Okay, so I hope this helped to you to understand what the 90-minute cycle is, why the CLS, why do we use these times, and all that stuff. And I really apologize about my English. I really try my best. That's why I sometimes pause the videos and all that stuff, because I'm not from England or United States. I'm from Venezuela, but currently living in UK. So I speak Spanish and my English is not the best. But yeah, and that's it. That's all about the course. And like I said, you will have my guides day by day, and I'm gonna help you. Okay, so no worry about that. So that's it.